Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Math is Magic. Today we will be continuing solving the first subdivision of the second question of exercise 3.5, and now we will not be solving the first question of the exercise 3.5 because as I told I will solve deleted questions at the last after solving all the questions which were there in the last year portion. So the first question of exercise 3.5 is deleted, so I will solve it later. So let's get started and we will start solving the first subdivision of the second question of exercise 3.5. Now, the second question of exercise 3.5 is, and the first subdivision is, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? The two equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 is the first equation, a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2 is the second equation. Now let us move on to the solution. Now, the first subdivision, the two equations are 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and the second equation, in the book it is given that a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. We are now bringing this plus 3a plus b minus 2 to the other side, so here whole bracket and minus here. Now, what they have asked in the question, what values of a and b? For what values of a and b does the two equations have infinite number of solutions? So what is the condition for infinite number of solutions? That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for infinite number of solutions. So here, writing this two equation in this format of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, we get this. Therefore, here 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b is equal to here minus 7, and you can directly here write it as here minus into 3a plus b minus 2. So here minus will get cancelled. So cross multiplying this, 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. Solving it further, 2 into a 2a plus 2 into b 2b, which is equal to 3 into a 3a minus 3b, 3 into b 3b. Now, again solving it further, we will get bringing a and b to one side. Here 2a plus 3a to other side minus 3a, which is equal to minus 3b plus 2b to other side minus 2b. Here 2a minus 3a is equal to minus a, because here minus is in the greater number, which is equal to minus 3b minus 2b is equal to minus 5b. Because when there is 2 minus, we need to add the number, but we need to put minus symbol. So mark it as the first equation. Now again cross multiplying these two equations. Here 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. So solving it further, 3 3s are 9. So 9a plus 3 into b 3b, 3 into minus 2 which is equal to minus 6, which is equal to 7 into a 7a plus 7 into b 7b. So bringing here we are solving everything in one side and equating to 0. So here 9a plus 7a to other side minus 7a plus 3b plus 7b to other side minus 7b minus 6 as it is. So this is equal to 0. 9a minus 7a is equal to 2a plus 3b minus 7b is equal to minus 4b, which is equal to this minus 6 to other side plus 6. So this is the second equation. I hope this is clear to you. From the first equation, the first equation was minus a is equal to minus 5b. Now keeping this minus a to the same side and bringing this minus 5b to other side plus 5b. So minus a plus 5b is equal to 0. This is the third equation. Now 2a minus 4b is equal to 6 is the second equation. Now multiplying the third equation into 2. Why we are multiplying this? Because our motive is to cancel either of the variable a or b in the elimination method. When we multiply the third equation, this equation by 2, the 2 into minus a will result in minus 2a. So this 2a will get cancelled when we add both these equations. So now third equation into 2, 2 into minus a is equal to minus 2a, 2 into plus 5b is equal to plus 10b, 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Now adding the equation, so no need to change any of the symbols. So here plus 2a minus 2a will get cancelled, minus 4b plus 10b. What will result? Minus 4b plus 10b means subtracting, so 6b. So here as it is 6, 0 means 0 no value. So you can as it is write 6. So 6b is equal to 6, b is equal to 1. Here 6 in the multiplication, on the other side goes in division. Therefore b is equal to 1. Now when you substitute b is equal to 1 in the second equation, here 2a minus 4b is equal to 6 is the second equation. In the place of b, when you substitute 1, 4 into 1, 4. So 2a minus 4 is equal to 6. Here 2a is equal to 10. Minus 4 to other side plus 4. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 2a is equal to 10. A is equal to 5. Here 2 is in multiplication, on the other side goes in division. Therefore, a is equal to 5. Therefore, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. I hope this question is clear to you. So, we will be continue solving the second subdivision of the second question of exercise 3.5 in my next video. Until then, bye bye friends. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. And also again and again, please do practice maths. Bye bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Math is Magic and don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates.